So here are the three best things about this Leo and Ella baby car mirror. Okay, first, it gives you a huge crystal clear view of your baby while they're in a rear facing car seat. The extra large mirror makes it easy to check on them without constantly turning around, which is a hassle for all parents and anybody who has to carry babies around. Second, safety is a major focus. It's crash tested and made from 100% shatterproof materials, so you don't have to worry about, broken glass in the event of a sudden stop or accident. Third, it's incredibly easy to install. It already comes fully assembled and can be attached to, most adjustable headrests in about 30 seconds. No tools required. Okay? So overall, if you have a rear facing seat and you want a safer and easier way to keep an eye on your little one while driving, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.